De-stress and relax. Unwind your mind. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only useful for your language skills but also for your everyday life. We'll explore the meaning and use of the phrases de-stress and relax. Understanding these concepts can help you communicate your feelings and needs more effectively in English. Let's get started and find out how these words can add to your English vocabulary and your well-being. The term de-stress refers to the process of reducing or eliminating stress. Stress is the feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to cope with mental or emotional pressure. To de-stress means to actively take steps to remove the stressors in your life or to diminish their effect on you. This can involve various activities or practices that promote mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Understanding how to de-stress is crucial, not only for language learners but for anyone looking to lead a healthier and more balanced life. On the other hand, to relax means to make or become less tense or anxious. It's about finding peace and calm in your mind and body. Relaxing can involve activities like reading, taking a bath, meditating, or even deep breathing exercises. The focus here is on achieving a state of comfort and tranquility, allowing your body and mind to take a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Now that you know what these phrases mean, let's look at how to use them in your daily English conversations. You might say, "I need to de-stress after a long week at work," or "I'm looking forward to relaxing this weekend." These phrases are versatile and can be used in various contexts. Whether you're talking about your personal feelings or giving advice to someone who's feeling overwhelmed. 1. Identify stressors. Recognize what causes you stress and address it directly. 2. Practice mindfulness. Engage in activities that keep you present and focused. 3. Physical activity. Exercise can significantly reduce stress levels and improve your mood. 4. Connect with others. Sharing your thoughts and feelings can be a great way to relieve stress. 5. Take time for yourself. Ensure you have moments in the day where you do things that make you happy and relaxed. We hope this video has shed light on the importance and meaning of de-stress and relax. Incorporating these concepts into your daily life can enhance your well-being and your ability to communicate your needs in English. Remember, taking time to care for your mental and physical health is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay relaxed and stress-free.